أستاذ سيد جوليان، هل يمكن مشاركتنا إذا كان هناك لمشروع سكة الحديد البصرة الشلامشة أي ارتباط بهذا النوع من أنواع التمويل؟ كيف تقيمون تأثير هذا النوع من التمويل على استدامة المشروع وشراكة القطاع الخاص؟
Okay, thank you very much. First of all, thanks very much for inviting me to this event and for the opportunity to share the point of view about the best financing mean in order to implement projects in the benefit of Iraq. As you said, I mean, we've been awarded of the project Basra Salamchev. We were given an invitation together with the conditions, the specification of the contract, and in this specification were not included the sovereign guarantee, unfortunately. But fortunately, I think we'll be able to finance the project. This is probably because this project is not a big project and could be financed in a different way. But the sovereign guarantee has to be considered as an instrument, as a tool to make feasible, to make possible some projects that because of the size or because the peculiar characteristic of Iraq in relation to the international banking system wouldn't be impossible to undertake without the sovereign guarantee. So I think this is extremely important to link sovereign guarantee with the situation of Iraq in the panorama, in the scenario of the risk grade.
برأيكم ما هي المنافع المتوقعة على القطاع الخاص العراقي من وجود شراكات دولية تعمل ضمن مشاريع ممولة بالقروض السيادية؟
It's clear that the implementation of a big project, having been qualified as a strategic project, will spread positive effects, not only for the private company doing directly the project, but also for all the set of subcontractors that are going to intervene in the project. And the influence is not going to be in the profit and loss of the main contractor and the profit or loss of the subcontractors. The effect is going to be indirectly in the increase of capabilities of the people, the increase of managerial capabilities of the companies, in many other indirect effects. Foreign investment sometimes is seen in some countries as something which is not in the line with the interests of the country. I can tell you that this is not the case, and I can remember in my country, in Spain, in 1959, started the liberalization process, and the private investment came into Spain. The main beneficial effect was the spread of the capabilities in the managers, and in all the kind of people. This is really important at the time of having a look to the sovereign guarantee effects. First of all, the project has to be strategic, no doubt. And after having been defined as strategic, every effort in order to favor the implementation is important. We've been involved in projects in different countries, with different degrees of development. In Uganda, that I'm seeing in the screen, we undertook two different kinds of projects. One, the rehabilitation of the infrastructure, the railway infrastructure, and the other, the project of the capacity building of the people working in the railway company and in the Ministry of Transportation. The combination of these two factors, capacity building and infrastructure modernization, is vital.
هل عملكم داخل العراق ساهم بخلق تحفيز لتأسيس شركات محلية مساندة؟ يعني كانت هناك تعاونات مع شركات محلية بمشروعكم؟
In Iraq, you mean? Yes, definitely. We've been involved in an engineering and consulting company in Kurdistan, trying to, or having done the design of a network of rail. And we are now being in touch with subcontractors in relation to the Basra-Salamcha project. And also we've presented other projects, other offers, one for the project link in Najaf, Karbala,
no.
And also with the company Faraday in relation to the building up of wind parks and solar installations. So we have now quite good knowledge of the spectrum of subcontractors and capabilities of the local industry.
شكرا لك